If your waterfall looks like it's bleeding, you're probably in Antarctica. Let's unravel this mystery. Deep in the heart of Antarctica, there's a waterfall that gushes blood-red water. But don't worry, it's not horror movie stuff, it's pure science. The crimson color comes from iron-rich water that's been trapped under the glacier for millions of years. As it flows out, the iron oxidizes and gives it that eerie red hue. Here's the cool part, this trapped water is super salty and can stay liquid even in freezing temperatures. Scientists believe the iron comes from ancient marine microbes. The blood falls offer a glimpse into what life might be like on other icy planets, like Europa. So next time you think Antarctica is just ice and snow, remember it's got a bleeding heart. To learn more about these interesting scientific phenomena, follow our channel Untold Science Stories.